Good evening, guys. I have a little bit of oak to cut up, and somebody had messaged and they were coming out for the poulan, but they're running a little late. And I thought I'd show people when I was clearing one of the rooftops, because I've got some of my saws loaded into the ceilings in one of my workshops. I have them hung from the joists with metal hooks. There's about 22 up there, mostly steel. So I started pulling across some of my steel. So this is one of my 038's 80s saw from steel. Beautiful. Little later now that I'm going to keep, but so she's barely done anything with me, this saw, just been hung on display. And in the back of the car I've got my 048 and a 031, and so I'll show all those as well systematically. So I thought while I waited for this guy, I don't remember the last time this was cut with, so interesting engine as well. You know, they run I think these are a 48mm piston and a 34mm stroke, so 61 cc's. Should have brought out my Husky 61 actually. That'd been interesting back to back. But anyway, beautiful West German saw, and electronic ignition, chain brake. She's in really lovely condition. No apparent damage anywhere around the saw, and as far as I know, everything on the saw is working. It's got a really nice vintage period steel. That's an 18-inch bar. It's running a genuine steel 3/8 pitch. Semi-chisel chain. I think it was put away sharp. Soon find out. So this guy is due any time. I'll check a few discs of oak, and hopefully might be suitable for one of you guys out there. Beautiful saw. So again, approaching 30 to 40 years old, this saw. There. Hey, jerk off. So, surprising actually, that's a really impressive performer as well. Just goes to show the later, I was cutting with a late 60s Husky 65 earlier, and this is, well, with this setup, this is definitely quicker. So, yeah, really impressive in fact. How fast that's getting through that wood. Wow! Really impressive how fast that's knocking through that. Yeah, really good. So that's the 038 AV electronic quick stop. So this has been one of the later ones. The initial ones for these, I think, were points and condenser, and this one's got the electronic ignition module on it, which, so says, has improved its running. That I really like the points version I had as well. I say, she's been stood a very long time as well. So when she was last looked at, she had a brand new pull cord and rebuild of the pull start housing, completely down to the spring, had replacement caps, brand new correct Bosch, I think, are on these WSR6Fs. I only remember that because I was buying a BPM 6 plug the other day, and I remembered I bought a couple for my 038s. So yeah, there she is, STIHL 038 AV. Just beautiful, beautiful, powerful saw. I don't know what the exact horsepower figures are for these. Let's take a couple more discs. Forgotten just how spectacularly that goes through wood. Yeah, impressive. Hey guys. Thanks for watching, and hopefully the 038 will be suitable for any of you out there that want, you know, not a modern steel saw by any means, but just beautiful, beautiful engineered saw from the 80s. Guys, stay safe. Bye for now.